All right, so for dynamics in this week's lesson, dynamics means the volume of music. So how loud or how soft the music, the instrument, the singer, any of the sounds, it's their volume, how loud or soft something is. So for hopefully what is a quick review based on what you've learned in previous years, P or piano means soft. The letter F or the word forte means loud. If we're adding the M's next to them, so MF meaning mezzo forte means medium loud. The letters MP or the words mezzo piano mean very or medium soft. And those are in the middle. So piano is softer, and then we get to mezzo piano, which is medium soft. Then we get to mezzo forte, medium loud, and then we get to forte. So they're working up. And then our extremes on the ends, if you see two F's or the word fortissimo, that means very loud. The issimo means very, and then forte means loud already. You already know that. So two F's or fortissimo is very loud. And on the other extreme, you have two P's or pianissimo, very soft. That is the meaning. So issimo again means very, and then piano meaning soft, so very soft. So those should be the 6 dynamic levels that you should already know. And we're going to add 2 more. So the 2 more we have are if it's changing. So if you remember back to when we worked on tempos, and if it went faster and faster and faster, that was called accelerando, which is like it accelerated, like when a car goes faster and accelerates. When it gets louder and louder and louder, it is called a crescendo. Now, there are 3 ways you can see that in music. There are 3 different ways that you can see the word crescendo, and it's long. You can see a shortened abbreviation of the word, which is cresh, with the dot. And it's just the first several letters of the whole word. Or you could see a symbol. Now, that symbol is, oops, I'll do it this way. It's kind of like, if you're in math and on this side it's smaller and on this side it's bigger, that is a less than sign, but it's getting bigger, so it's getting louder. Now, it does not matter how soft it was at the beginning or how loud. It might have crescendoed a whole lot. It might have been just a little bit, but if it got louder at all and it wasn't just, we're down here and now we're up here, if it just da-na-na-na-na-na, you heard it get louder at some point, that is a crescendo. If it is a sudden change, then it just went from maybe piano to forte. Now, in the opposite regard, crescendo getting louder, decrescendo means to get softer. So de meaning the opposite. So just how this was a crescendo, that symbol right there, and I'll probably just put up I'm getting confused on which side it is. The other way, oops, oh no, it is this one, means to get softer. So decrescendo, because it starts bigger and it's ending smaller. So it does not matter how loud something was in the beginning or how soft it gets in the end. If it gradually gets softer at any point, that is called a decrescendo. So just like crescendo, there are 3 ways to identify when you're looking at a piece of music what it looks like, what decrescendo is. So you could see the entire word, decrescendo. You could see the abbreviation, decresh. So very similar to crescendo, but you're adding the de before it. That way we know the difference. Or you could see the symbol, that greater than looking sign. Now, they might be stretched out. It depends on how long it's going to take. Okay, so you now have 8 dynamic levels. So enjoy. There is a Kahoot later, and there are some other activities in the next following videos. So enjoy, and those are our dynamic levels.